Hello out there, YouTube friends. I am Cindy and this is Sincerely Cindy Settle. Today it is a Wantable Valentine's Day edit. Hi ladies, I hope everyone is doing well. So I have a Wantable today. I had kind of decided that I wasn't going to do Wantable anymore, but then they got me at Valentine's Day edit. So it is what it is. I don't know, I hadn't really been all that impressed lately, and I feel like Wantable's prices are a little bit more expensive for what you get. But I will leave a description down in the description box. You guys can try it for yourself. If you do use my referral code, you will receive a, well, I don't know if you receive anything or not. I will receive a $25 credit once you purchase something from Wantable. So, I mean, I encourage you to always give it a try. You never know, you may find a couple pieces that you love. Here recently though, I have found that like I want to use my styling fee, so I try to find something that I like, and I haven't been loving a whole lot of what I've been getting from Wantable, but they got me at Valentine's Day edit. I do love that they have some themed edits. This one is actually, I have never tried this one. So this one is a sleep and body Valentine's Day edit. So we will see how this goes. I wanted to go ahead and do the unboxing because I don't know if there'll be a whole lot of things that I can actually try on. So we'll see what we have in here. So this is how it comes packaged. If you've never done Wantable and you haven't seen any of my other Wantable videos, it does have a cute little sticker that says "Styled for Cindy," and it's very neat and tidy. So you will get a return label to send everything that you do not want, and then you get also a UPS label if you choose to return everything by UPS. They do send you a style note. This just says, "Hi Cindy, be sweet, be sexy, be you. So excited you're trying our first ever Valentine's sleep and body edit. From feel good pieces to sew you styles that make you swoon, it's all in this edit. As always, you have 5 days to try. Be sure to let me know at checkout which styles you love. Don't forget, you'll get 20% off if you keep 5 or more items. So go ahead and treat yourself. Whether you're celebrating Valentine's Day or Valentine's Day, or both, I know you'll shine bright. Take care. Enjoy, Brooklyn." So cute little picture of your stylist there as well. And then you have your items here on the other side with their prices. And they do tell you if you had requested the items or if they're clearanced and that sort of thing. So let's see what we have. Looks like the first thing we have are some socks. So that makes sense in this kind of edit. So we're gonna, should I open them up? Or maybe I should wait to see what the price is. Oh wait, maybe I can open them here without tearing. I can open it here without tearing. So that's good. All right, so super soft. They are pink and white hearts, very cute. And then we have a pink pair on the other side. Very soft, very cozy. These are from Z Supply. Looks like we have a pair of slippers. Oh, very cute. Look how cute these are. How fun. And they're a little bit padded. And then they have a hard bottom. Not sure that this is something that I need. I'm not really a slipper kind of girl. It's funny, I don't wear slippers at home, but when we go to our cabin, I do wear slippers up there. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know why. I mean, like, actually you would think I would wear slippers here because I have hardwood floors, but at the cabin, everything's carpeted except for the kitchen, so I don't know, maybe I'm strange. So anyway, these are from Me Moi, I guess. They're like a creamy color. Oh, this is pretty. All right, so we have a pair of gray, looks like sleep shorts. They are gray and they have some very subtle flowers. It's like a pink and a white, very pretty flower with a drawstring. These look very comfortable, very stretchy, and they're very, very soft. I do like those. This is going to be by Z Supply as well. And then we have a top, it looks like, to go with it. Yep, very nice. Looks like a very cool, casual sleep top, again, with the flower pattern. A little bit of cuff here and a cuff down here at the bottom. So I do have a little something to try on with the slippers. All right, and then we have something soft and fuzzy. Okay, looks like a cardigan. Very, very soft. This looks like it's a very pale gray as well. Very soft cardigan. It is hooded. Very cute. And it does have pockets. This is Z Supply as well. Their Z Lounge line. Cute. All right, it looks like that might be all that I have to try. It looks like the rest of this might be lingerie or underwear. So let's look here. I'm going to open this without. This will at least give you some idea if you want to order this edit. Give you some idea of things that you can get. So we have some bikini style underwear. Very cute. Very pretty. Very sexy. And this is the other color. It looks like the same style. And the back. These are from Rene, Rofe lingerie. All right. And then we have another set. See, here it looks like we have a little bralette set. We have some lace up here on the straps. Lacy bodice, and then we have a pair of panties that go with it. Oops. And this is the style of the panty. Little more risque, kind of open in the back. All right, so you will not see these either. So I will try some things on and let you guys know what I'm going to keep and let you know the prices. So I'll be right back. So here we are with what I'm going to show you from this edit. The other items are not for me to show you, so sorry about that. But we have the cardigan, which is very soft and very cozy, really cute, pockets, very fun. I love the hood. I think the hood is a lot of fun, and it would be super cozy just to wrap up on the couch with the cardigan. I do like this a lot. And I mean, you could wear this out obviously very easily. It's just a light gray, very cute and comfy sweater cardigan. So I do like this. So let's talk about the pajamas, I suppose. So I will say I love the pattern, love the collar. It is lightweight. It would be very comfortable to sleep in. However, I do feel like it's a little bit shorter than what I would like. Now, I'm not a pajamas kind of girl. To go to bed, I usually just wear t-shirts and a pair of underwear and call it a day. I get too hot in long sleeves, so I don't usually wear long sleeve shirts to bed. Shorts I can do, pants I cannot typically to sleep in. So again, I feel like this is very comfortable and very cute. I feel like it's a little bit short, especially raising the hands and things like that. It kind of sits up above the love handles there. But you know, I feel like it fits nicely with the white ashy legs in the winter. And I also have on the slippers, so let me pan down and I'll show you those. All right, so here you have the slippers. They are very comfortable, very easy to get on and off. They are tied pretty tightly together. They do have a little cushion there. They're very girly, very feminine. I like that. I think it's cute, but I'm not sure that I would wear these very much. So I'm more of just a socks around the house kind of girl. So maybe this wasn't the best edit for me, but let's look at some prices and see if there's anything worth keeping. So I'll be right back. All right, ladies, well, this is going to be a pretty quick video this time. So again, this was the Valentine's sleep and body edit from Wantable. I did pay a $20 styling fee for them to style me. So let's start with the cozy cardigan, which I did like. It was very soft. It's gray. It's leisure wear. I would get some use out of this, I'm sure. Let's see what the price is. This is the Coziest cardigan in taupe ash, an extra large. This is $98. So that's going to be a no. And then we have the top of the pajamas. This is the Izzie floral top in taupe ash in extra large. $69. And then we have the shorts in Mia Floral Short in Pink Sky, extra large, also from Z Supply. These are $44. So those are going to be a no. I mean, that's over $100 for just a pair of pajamas. So that's going to be a no. Again, they were very soft. I do like the pattern. The fit was, the top of the fit was okay. The bottoms were good. And I did like the cardigan, but that's another $100. So I did like the way that they coordinated those collars and those pieces. That was nice. And again, the coordinated, and they also coordinated the slippers, which I also liked. These are palm slide slipper in blush pink. They're a size medium. They are $28. So a little bit more reasonable. And again, they were comfortable. I just am not sure that I would get a lot of use out of them. All right, so let's talk about the lingerie pieces. So I did take the bralette and panties apart to try them on. I did not try on the bra, I will be honest, only because I did not like the panties when I tried them on. And just FYI, I did keep on my underwear while I tried this on. So the color is very pretty. It's a bright hot pink. It does have an open back here. Very pretty. I don't know if you can really tell what that looks like. Very pretty, very sexy for sure. But I'm not sure what this side piece is right here on both sides. It's got a wire in there to keep it down. I don't know. It wasn't comfortable. Not that it dug into me at all, but it just wasn't comfortable, and I don't feel like it was very flattering. So I'm not sure what the purpose of that is. But it does have a strap here on the back that you can tighten and that you can actually take off if you don't want that there. So I like the color, but that's about it. Oh, and I didn't talk, how much is that? That set is Harper set in Cherries Jubilee. That is a 2X. When I did my stream on Wantable, I did go up in the lingerie to a 2X just because I like those pieces to not dig in to me quite as tightly as some other pieces. So that set is $56. And then we have the socks. These were the 2-pack Plush heart socks in bone. They are $24. I feel like that's a little overpriced as well. And then we have the 2 pair of panties, which I did like these. So these might be my keepers from the box if they're not too expensive. We do have this pretty maroon collar. They are lacy in the back, lacy in the front, more sheer in the back. They do have more of a lining in the front than they do the back. That collar, and then this pretty blue collar, which I do not have in my collection at this time. And you know, it's the same kind of lace, again, lining in the front, but not in the back. And they fit like a, I don't know, like a boy short, not a boy short, like a cheeky type of fit in the back. So they are the 2-pack Sunday morning bikini in Rofe and Stormy, and they are 2X, and they are $24. So that is probably what I'm going to keep from this box. It would be either that or the socks, and I feel like I would get more use out of the underwear. We have plenty of fuzzy socks between myself and $4. We have plenty of those. So if this is an edit that you enjoyed, then you might want to get yourself an edit. Again, I do have a referral link down in the description box. This was the first ever Valentine's edit. This is the sleep and body edit, as opposed to, they also have a style edit, and then I think they have like an athletic or leisure wear type of edit that you can also request. Not real thrilled with this one, but I am going to go ahead and keep the underwear so that I do not lose my $20 styling fee. So there you have it. Happy Valentine's Day though. It's all good. It's all good. So I will see you guys the next time. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.